All right, green arrows ahead of Tuesday's open here. Market looks like it is trading up here in the pre-market. S&P futures higher by 0.39%, Dow futures higher by 0.17%, and the NASDAQ leading the way higher at 0.77%. They are off their highs, but barely, and so far they're doing a pretty good job holding that higher area here in the pre-market. So we'll see what happens as we get closer to the open. Now let's take a look at some cues from last session and get you set here for today. Get this all squared away here. Sectors on the S&P 500 that closed higher on Monday included only information technology, energy, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, utilities, real estate, healthcare, financials, materials, and communication services. And industrials fell. U.S. stock futures rose on Tuesday as the NASDAQ 100, S&P 500, and Dow Jones indices gained following the mixed close that we had yesterday on Monday. President Trump posted early Monday that both sides, Israel and Iran, are looking to do an immediate ceasefire, end quote. Shortly before, Iran's armed forces said they had ended military operations against Israel while warning of harsher attacks if strikes on Lebanon resume. The NASDAQ rebounded, driven by encouraging remarks from tech leaders, including NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang, who indicated that the recent market pullback offers a prime entry point for artificial intelligence investments. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.55%, and the 2-year bond was at 4.15%. The CME Group's Fed Watch tool projections show that the market's pricing in a 98.2% likelihood that the Federal Reserve leaves the current interest rates unchanged during the June meeting. Now, we've got several stocks in focus here for you today. The first one is going to be Vail Resorts. Right? Vail Resorts, ticker MTN, dropped 4.53% in the pre-market on Tuesday after posting worse than expected third quarter results after Monday's closing bell. See how it trades here today. The next stock on our list is going to be Mission Produce. The ticker is AVO, and it declined by 5.43% after reporting downbeat second quarter results after the closing bell yesterday. The company also announced a $100 million buyback plan. The next stock on our list is going to be AMPG, and it surged 12.63% after announcing a key update from the ORAN Alliance Global Plug Fest, spring 2026. The company distinguished itself as the sole vendor showcasing a massive MIMO radio equipped with 64 transmit and 64 receive antennas. The next stock on our list is going to be Nebius Group. The ticker is NBIS, and it rose 4.59% as it launched a physical AI living lab for UK and European robotic startups that is built on the back of NVIDIA technologies. The last stock on our list is going to be Casey's General Stores. It was 0.057% lower as Wall Street expects it to post quarterly earnings of $3.30 per share on revenue of $4.3 billion after the closing bell.